Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Red and I'll be your Sunny trainer for today's workout. We have a huge library of cardio and bodyweight workouts, and we release new workouts every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. First things first, we're going to start on all fours. Make certain that your wrists are underneath your shoulders. You can go ahead and spread your fingers apart a bit. If you're having any wrist issues, you can go onto your knuckles, but make sure that you keep your wrists nice and stiff. So palms are flat, preferably. You're gonna have a little bit of space hip width apart in your knees. And what we're gonna start with is the cat-cow. Tucking the chin down, arching the back up. And then looking up to the ceiling if you can, dropping the tummy down. Once again, chin down, head up. You're gonna do this motion a few times. All of our intervals are 40 seconds. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Inhale through your nose, blow out through your mouth. You can keep your feet tucked, or you can actually do toes flat. Feet flat. I prefer tucked. Moving on to the next exercise. This one's called Varmanasana. Once again, you're still on your hands and knees. Wrists are underneath the hands. What you're doing is you're going to rotate forward, hips forward, into circles. Drop down to the back, bring all the way around. Nice circles. You will feel this in your low back, your chest, your arms, in between your shoulder blades. If you want, you can rotate to the other side. Nice deep circles. We're not in a rush. Everything is slow motion. How are you feeling? Make sure you stay really in tune with your body. If anything is pulling, go slow and take your time. Now what we're gonna do is go on our hip bones. Feet are gonna be forward. We're gonna be doing knee rolls. Very, very easy. Go ahead and lie back nice and smooth. With these, arms are just to your side at a slight angle. You're just gonna be dropping your knees to the right and left. Going to the right, enjoying the stretch, coming back to neutral, and to the other side. Once again, neutral, and drop to the other side. This is also 40-second intervals. This is pretty awesome to do first thing in the morning, get the blood circulating, help wake up. You can also do this as a cool down as well. Once we're done with that, we're gonna do something called spinal twist, thoracic twist. I'm gonna have you bring your left knees to the side, left arm underneath you. Your right arm is gonna reach just over your fingertips, and then you open up wide. See if you can let your shoulders drop down to the other side. If you can't, don't worry about it, just hold it a beat. Come back over, extend your right hand over your left, and once again, open up. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale through the nose, blow out through the mouth, reach again, up and over. Go ahead and switch to the other side. Same exact thing. Right arm is out, left arm reach over, just extend past your fingertips, open up. You can look to the ceiling or keep your hands and your gaze onto the right hand. Over again, reach just past, open up and turn. Inhale through the nose, make sure you're breathing. And once again, open and turn. If you like to pause for a beat, go ahead and do so. Feels really good. You'll feel this in not only your thoracic spine, but in the lumbar. We're gonna go back to knee rolls. Feet a little bit, probably hip width apart. Arms wherever you feel that they're comfortable, natural. You just don't wanna make sure that you're blocking your knees as you drop them. Go ahead and drop to the left side, to neutral, and the right side. Back to neutral, left side, back to neutral, right side. Neutral, left, neutral, right. Once again, this is a good exercise to do as a cool down into the workout. You can also do it in the mornings. I recommend you walk around a bit because you never want to start any kind of activity when your muscles are cold. 2 more times. Just make sure you're breathing. Inhale through your nose and blow out through your mouth. Actually, I just want you to make certain that you're breathing and not holding your breath, but periodically, you can take those deep cleanse, inhale through the nose breaths, and then out. Our very last exercise what we're going to be doing is go ahead and straighten both legs. And we'll be simply bringing our knee into our chest. So we're going to start with the left knee into the chest. Give it a gentle tug, gentle pull. Don't force it. Sometimes you're so tight, your ground leg, which is the right leg, will lift off the ground. That's okay if it does. Eventually you'll get it to stay. Go ahead and release. Nice and smooth, we're not in a rush. Bring that right knee in. Again, make certain that you're breathing. Inhale through your nose and blow out through your mouth. 1 more time each side. Couple second beats. And release, last one. And we're done. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. Remember, the hardest part is showing up, and I'm so proud that you did.
If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach Pilates, cycling, rowing. I'm on the treadmill, so come find me, plus me, and many more from all of our other amazing Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click on the link in the description below so we can work out together. Yeah? Yeah.